is in one video, just so I'm not sending you so many videos. Lori, this is the guest suite cabinet. So on this one, we are just priming it because it's so big and it's a lot to handle. We feel this one's better to be painted on site. So Jamie's crew will handle the painting on it on site. So anyways, we will still be sending it into the finishing shop, but just for priming. So to start with, we got the two front doors, closet rod here. You can see it's line board all the way up so that you can adjust it for whatever height items you want to hang in here. Plus you have the adjustable shelves, so you can use it either way, or your needs might change in the future. We've got the 8 really nice large drawers, just like everywhere else. Solid dovetail, soft close, tandem drawer slides. This section right here looks just like the one next to it, but this actually operates as one door. And it's got the tall hanging here. This is sized exactly the same size here, so that deposit rods are interchangeable. You can do 2 here or 1 here. You can move the shelves from one side to the other. Very, very flexible. Same thing with the adjustable shelves down there. And it is line board for a closet rod down here as well. So very, very flexible on the usage. And in here, same thing. Adjustable shelves in the closet rods and the large drawers down below. Jamie, where this meets the wall, it is extended 1 inch on both sides. So just center it, trim what you need off the sides for equal reveal. And we have the top trim and the bottom skin, all of that extended 1 inch as well. And I think that's it. I'm going to walk you over to the laundry next. Okay, here we are in the laundry. Again, these will be going in for pre-painting before they ship out. And here's the sink cabinet. All the plumbing stuff will come in here. That P-trap may have to get notched down into there depending how far that goes down. This section right here is where the dog food, the dog bowl and water will sit. So it's like the doggy dining area. Then you have your washer and your dryer, and there will be a stone countertop going on here as well as here. And I think that's pretty much it. Same thing where the cabinet meets wall, floor, all extended 1 inch so that you can scribe it to the opening. And I'm going to flip you around the other side and we're going to look at the upper cabinet. Here we are looking at the upper cabinet. This goes over the washer and dryer. Just all adjustable shelves. It's got the lip right here for the lighting. I believe it's just going to be an LED strip going up underneath here. Your extended style here, trim. And that's pretty much it. So this will be going over to the finishing shop. The only remaining item to show you is the family room, and as soon as that's done I'll get a video out on that, and the rest is in our finishing department, and we'll be reaching out soon to get the delivery. So thank you.